Welcome to our channel. If you want to learn how to use PayPal Credit to make purchases online and manage payments with flexible financing options, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Apply for PayPal Credit by going to the PayPal website, logging into your account, and selecting PayPal Credit from the menu. Step 2. Complete the credit application by providing your personal information, including name, address, social security number, and annual income. Step 3. Wait for instant approval. If approved, your PayPal credit account will be available immediately for use. Step 4. When shopping online, select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. Log in to your PayPal account when prompted. Step 5. Choose PayPal Credit as your funding source during the payment process instead of using your linked bank account or debit card. Step 6. Review the purchase amount and any promotional financing offers available, such as no interest if paid in full within 6 months. Step 7. Confirm the purchase to complete the transaction using PayPal Credit. The charge will appear on your PayPal Credit statement. Step 8. Manage your PayPal Credit account through PayPal's website or app, make payments, and monitor your available credit and balance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.